Hey guys, in this lesson we'll make our application more beautiful with material design. Go to the affirmations item XML. Let's add image to see our affirmation for this type tool and image. Input tool, tools, not tool, then equal, and choose our image. For this type tools, src compat is drawable slash and the name of our image. And we have template of our affirmation. Let's add padding between items in linear layout, type padding, and for example 16 dp. And we have padding from top, bottom, start and end. Go to the activity main point XML and we have list with padding. Then in the text view set the text appearance, and in text appearance type attribute slash text appearance headline 6. Our text become bigger. We have set headline 5, headline 1, or other headline text. Let's run our application. It's better, but I want to make cards. For this, add material card, type material card. Let's make it the parent element with standard match parent, and height is standard wrap content. Let's close by close tag, erase it, and paste in the bottom of layout. Then instead linear layout padding, we can add margin in material card view. Let's run again, and we have material cards with our affirmations. Also we can change standard theme colors. Go to the colors XML in values, copy any color and paste it. Then rename, for example, green 100, green 500. That's all. Choose color, green, and choose any green color. And the same with the second green color. Then open themes, themes.xml, and change color primary is green 100 and color primary variant is green 500. Run the app again and we change colors for our theme. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.